Yes, this is customer query 3, all right? And now we have this thing over here, all right? We created this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a report for customers and their orders, and then price times quantity. When you do it, you have to do the shipping costs and so forth. Right. You can modify it. All right, so create report wizard. All right, and select that query you created. In our case, it's customer query 3, right? And select the fields you want. I want customer number. I can add customer name later. Go with the primary keys first. Customer number, order number. I don't even put order date. And I put item number, description, price, and weight, and cost, quantity ordered, and line item. And if I don't want cost, at this point I don't want it, take it out. All right? So when you click these arrows back and forth, you can add or take the fields you don't want. Right. So I don't want weight in this example. All right? So what we are going to get is, we are going to get customer order, customer order, and what's inside the order for order 1, order 2, order 3. And I want customers total, and I want orders total. Okay?
I'm sorry, you said you want customer number first and then customer
Yeah,
order.
what I want is, let's say, I want customer number right there, 22. Look at the screen now. Okay, I added Brown company later on. You can add it, you can modify the reports. The important thing is get the slicing first, okay? And then order number 101, okay? And then this part, anything you want. That's called detail of the report, okay? So, in our example, I want item number, description, price, quantity ordered, and line item. I don't want these others. I can add that later if I want to. All right, so I go next. I went back to my report now. Is everybody with me?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Next, and the system is asking me what should be the grouping. My first grouping should be my customer. Second grouping should be by order. And the detail should be just like the way I should describe you. All right? And we go next. And one of the things people miss is this screen summary options. Pay attention to that, all right? Summary options. Click on to that. And what do I want? I want the total of line item. Okay? I want total of line item. I don't want total of price. It's meaningless. I don't want order of quantity because apples and pears cannot be added. So I say okay. And one thing computer is asking me here, what kind of order should I have in my invoice or order total?
Yeah.
I say maybe I should show the most expensive thing first.
Yes.
And so click over here, line item, and I'm going to call it descending order. Okay? To get attention to the first item. Doesn't have to be, but. And you can select other fields if they are equal, sorting within, I'm talking about sorting within detail. Okay? Next. And I usually select outline and landscape. The reason is that because if you have too much space allocated to the fields, you will run out of paper if you have portrait report. Make it landscape, you see better, and outline. I'll show you what it looks like. And next, and I'm going to call this receivables. And finish. Okay. Let me just show you where we are. So I can modify this down. Close print preview. If I print it this way, it won't look good. I close this, and I can reduce the size of the fields. All right?
Yes.
So look what I'm doing. I move my cursor to the middle, and double arrow comes up. And double arrow means you can reduce the size. My customer number is not that big. Okay? And you can grab it and move it to next to it. All right? So let me just show you what we did. Customer and number, they are still far away from each other. Okay? And cost doesn't mean anything to other people. I can modify it again. Triangle, design view. Instead of pound sign, I'm going to call it customer number. Or customer. Let's see what it looks like. A little bit better. Pound sign didn't mean anything to. So next one, triangle again. Or I'm going to call this order number. Notice this is the name of the field I display on the report. I cannot change this part. This one I cannot change that. Because that ord number is a field in database. It will not allow me to change that. So the title of the report can be different. Oops. I'm still bothered with that query. Why didn't it come out? It never happened before. I have to find out. So order number, all right? And line item is the wrong place. Line item should be always at the right-hand side of the report, right? So grab this and move it over here. And grab this, move it over here. All right? And I don't want this garbage here, so delete that. Click on it and press delete. And sum should be here. All right? And what's this sum? This sum is going to be sum for customer. I'm sorry, sum for order, I'm sorry. Let's open up this place. I don't want to run out of space. And move this up so no empty space. Let's see it again. Looks a little bit better, doesn't it? Now, in order 101, we have 3 items, and order total is 44,891. So I want to get rid of this again. This is the sum for customer. Customer 22 has only one order. If we
Wait.
had more than one order,
No, I think, that's the same thing.
yeah, it's the same thing.
Number.
No, why? Because customer total and order total are the same things. This customer had only one order.
Right.
Now, in 24, you will have different, okay? Now, let me just modify this. Design view, get rid of that junk. And, this name for the field. So this is for sum for customer. All right, and it gets rid of this space. Now, let's see what happens. All right, here. Now, customer 24 has 3 orders. And each order, 102, 104, 105, is created. Let me see the customer total now for second customer. Oh, he had 4 orders. All right. And the total is $145,376 for customer 20, which one is that? 24. All right. So